situation remains calm but tense in Manipur. There are protests in various places, but not as the protests were taking last week. Now what happened is, which is another concerning thing, is on Monday, a person, a 56 years old person, he went to the army cantonment in Limmakong area. Till 2:30 in the afternoon, he had contacted his family, had a talk with his family, but after that he was not available in phone and he is not being traced out. He is missing. He is also a Methi. Now that is also an area of concern. There, the Chief Minister Biren Singh has himself expressed concern on this, and the Manipur police is trying everything to find about his whereabouts. There was another attempt on 22nd November. There was another kidnapping attempt which was spotted by the Manipur police, and the person was recovered. On the other hand, the 7-day period that was given by N. Biren Singh and his Council of Ministers and group of MLAs to the central government, that has ended. Now, what were the demands? The demands were that all of these investigations, the Methis killing in Jiribam and other places, those should go to NIA. The demand was that they have to reconsider the reimposition of AFSPA in the Thanas. They have to declare Kuki groups as militant groups and they have to be banned. So all these demands were there. N. Biren Singh has come up with a statement where he has clearly said that he is happy that NIA has taken up a couple of cases and they are doing investigation. Also, an action taken report has been submitted to him. That's what he said. He has the details of that action taken, that action that has been taken by the Home Ministry, by the central government, that's there with him, that is his claim. And he has said that the central government is trying all out to bring peace, to bring stability in Manipur. So there should not be any violence anywhere. There should not be, they should wait and watch how things are getting solved. And there has been also drives against the poppy cultivation, that we know. But things remains moreover calm. But the statement that has come from Chief Minister is very important because he is asking the groups in the valley to be calm and to actually have patience with the central government, because already the central government has taken a couple of steps. Now, what are the steps the central government has taken? The central government has taken, number one, NIA investigation has started, and the sources say that there might be some foreign connections. That thing is also coming up in the NIA investigation. But the point is that NIA investigation has started. That is something which is big, and that's why the Chief Minister has asked everyone to be calm and to have patience. Stability and peace is what is required in Manipur.